Hello, Namaskar. In the given circuit here, capacitor circuit, to find the equivalent capacitance across battery of 10 volt and charge supplied by battery in below circuit. So first you see this circuit is of type Wheatstone bridge. So in Wheatstone bridge, first check whether the condition for balancing Wheatstone bridge meets here. That is, you have to check C1 C4 is equal to C2 C3. If it meets, then no charge flows through C5 and C5 branch will be open circuited. So we check here. So for balancing, you will write for balancing Wheatstone bridge, since C1 C4 is equal to C2 C3, that is 1 into 6 is equal to 3 into 2. So C5 will be open circuited. We will write OC, open circuited, ROPENCIERCUTED, open circuited. Now the new circuit will be C1 is 1 microfarad, C2 is 3 microfarad. So new circuit will be C1, and in series of C1 it is C2, and in parallel C3, and in series of C3 there will be C4, and here is battery connected. So होता क्या है कि जनरली मिस्टेक हो जाती है कि C1 C2 सीरीज में हो गया तो इसका मान लिया हमने C डैश, तो C डैश इज इक्वल टू C1 C2 अपॉन C1 प्लस C2, फार्मूला लिख लिया. अब C1 की वैल्यू पुट करना है 1 माइक्रोफैरड मल्टीप्लाई C2 की 3 इस क्वेश्चन में, और डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस 3 दैट इज 3/4. सो वी विल गेट हियर C dash is equal to 1 into 3 upon 1 plus 3 up equal to 3 upon 4 microfarad. Now for total capacitance of C3 and C4, we put here C dash. C dash is equal to, both also are in series, so C3 multiply C4 upon C3 plus C4, and here we are getting 2 multiply 6 upon 2 plus 6, that is 12 upon 8. Simplify it. 12 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 2 microfarad again. Now C dash and C double dash are in parallel and battery is connected across both as 10 volt. So for parallel, this will be equal to C equivalent across battery, that will be equal to C dash plus C double dash, and it will be equal to 3 upon 4 plus 3/2. So put here. Now C equivalent is equal to C dash plus C double dash is equal to 3/4 plus 3/2. Take LCM 4, So 3 plus 6, that is 9/4 microfarad. Now charge, this is the answer for C equivalent, and charge stored by battery, charge supplied by battery, that is Q is equal to C equivalent into V. So remember this formula, Q is equal to CV. Here for C you will write C equivalent, and C equivalent 9/4 multiplied 10, that is 90/4, and 90/4 is equal to 22.5 microcoulomb. This is the answer. So note down this solution also. Thank you so much.